Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of 46 Uncharted. Today, I have a very special video for you guys. Me and Monko, we head out to a new lake and search for some big LMBs. When we get there, we found that the lake is mainly a shallow, weedy lake, which means frogging, punching, and flipping deep weed lines. But when we get here, we're very fortunate enough to get on a very, very good early summer frog bite. We caught all of our fish on frogs. Probably caught like 20, 30 fish on frogs. But of course, only caught a couple on camera because that's usually how it always goes. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoy this episode. Stick around, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys at the end.
There you go. Nice. Hola. Ooh. You want me to grab it?
Yeah.
Ooh, shit, Oh, hey, reel up, it's stuck in the weeds. Shit, Oh, damn, right off the back. Oh, I can. Oh my god.
Fucking motherfucker.
Oh my god, dude. That's 3. Easy.
Oh, let me get that. Popping frog, dude.
Three 312. Yeah, it looks about 3-pounder.
Yeah.
Right there, 312.
You got it on camera?
Yeah.
Cultura.
312. First one of the day.
Got it?
Yeah. Nice 3-pounder, dude. First fish of the day. Ooh! Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go. Good shit.
Right.
Oh my god, that was a... Finally. Of course, I get the dink.
Not bad. You got him on camera?
No. Actually, I think so. I don't have it on anymore. Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Baby. No skunk, though. Did fish just missing? Oh! I literally just said, did a fish just miss it?
Yeah. That's what I thought it was.
I wasn't paying attention. Got him. Yeah. Bigger.
Oh, nice.
Ooh. Ooh. There we go.
Ooh.
Finally. I had a horse.
For sure.
I had to horse him out.
Damn.
I had to horse him out of the weeds. There we go. It's not bad.
Oh,
About
good, what, like
2.5?
2.5? Got your scale? You want to measure it?
Nah, it's fine. Gotta get the thumbnail though. Finally.
Finally, right?
Huh. It's the front of the boat, dude. Better. Yeah, it was smaller than the last one. Finally. Getting my roots back. Getting my frogging roots back and shit. Smashed. Don't hooked. Next one? Got him? Bacon?
I saw it bubble up.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Two? You got him, man. There you go. That's better average.
Ooh.
Nice. Yeah, that's two. Scum frog.
Nice fish.
Hell yeah.
I'm happy.
Yes, sir. Pretty good blow up.
Yeah, dude. Tay bọc in the bubble, huh?
Yeah.
You go bọc here, and then my frog just disappeared, dude.
You gotta go buy a GoPro, dude. Make your own videos. Two perspectives. Hey guys, I just caught this beast. Of course, the camera wasn't rolling.
We just caught this huge fish. We don't know how many pounds it is. Where's the weight? Where's the scale?
Put it back in here. 315, sir. Yeah.
No, man. It's pretty big fish, man.
Yeah.
Ooh. Thay rong sẽ là người tỏ touch the frog there, though.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Okay.
Damn, that's at least four, dude. 315, that's basically four. Oh yeah.
Đừng cho thần chạy to à. Nè, to này.
Oh! That makes up for it.
Alright, man.
Hell yeah.
Woo.
That makes up for it right there. Got him. Wow, I catch this dink after I catch that 4-pounder. Go figure. Same spot too, this shit. baby. There we go. Big bass. Tula edition.
Look at
Another good, yeah.
Okay.
What's she weigh?
4 pounds 6 ounces.
Ooh, that's the biggest one.
PB.
Is that PB?
PB.
That's the biggest one, the damn PB. Look at that. On a frog, dude.
Ooh.
On a frog.
My black frog, man.
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
I give up for that.
Wow.
On a black frog, baby.
Shit.
That's nice.
I saw a squirrel right by it, and then I worked around the edge, and it just came for it, dude.
Oh yeah. Good stuff.
God.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you for sticking around, watching all the way to the end. Today was a pretty damn fun day of frog fishing, dude. You just gotta love frog fishing, dude. It's always so fun, so exhilarating. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share this with your family and your friends, and stick around, stay tuned. More videos will come out soon. Peace.